Hello guys, Marvin Williams here today with a quick video update for Easy Leads and Cash and also for Easy5Now. These two programs allow you to earn instant commission, well 100% instant commission, and I've been getting a lot of questions about whether they're working or they're not working. What are you getting, with inside these systems, or if people are actually making money from them. And to tell you the truth, guys, these programs are really easy. The only thing that you really need to do once you get them set up is posting ads, and that's it. Whether it be on Facebook, inside of Facebook groups on your wall, posting ads on Craigslist, inside of inside of the labor section, which I post inside of the labor section, inside of classified websites, viral mailers. I do a lot of viral mailer programs where you join them for free, and all you do is just copy and paste the ads that are within inside these programs, or you can either copy those ads that are already pre-done for you, or you can take them, edit them, and then make them unique to yourself. But the reality is the systems work. And to be honest with you, any system work. It all depends on if you're putting in the effort into advertising and promoting that program in order to make it work. And you get and what I've been seeing over the last several years, or from the time I've been doing the online marketing thing, is I see a lot of people that join these programs, and they get all excited when they first join, and then within a week or maybe even within a month, they just give up. They just stop, doing the advertising or whatever, because maybe they might not start making as much money as they think they should be making or they want to be making, and they just give up. But the thing is, with anything, you have to be consistent. And with the Easy Leads and Cash program and the Easy5, and there's a couple of other programs that are pretty much the same, these programs pays you 100% commission, and it pays you instantly into your account. So the reality is, guys, you have to be consistent in posting ads. If you're posting your ads every single day, and not only just posting ads, you got to be working on building your list. You need an autoresponder to capture your prospects' name and email address so that you can follow up with them. And these programs, they have everything in place for you. The autoresponder, which is optional, and it's run through Traffic Wave, and that's another income within itself, because once you go through the system and you follow the program as it's laid out, you join the Traffic Wave program. It's free for the first 30 days. It allows you to start building your list, and once you start doing that, you're gonna start getting sales. Whether it be for the $15 or the $5 inside of the program. And once you start doing that, you'll be able to cover, if you post any ads on a consistent basis and building your list, you should be able to cover your first month when the time, well, it'll be the second month, because the first 30 days in Traffic Wave is free. So the second month, you should be able to cover your $17.95. Now, here is the thing. When those prospects join you and you make your first $15, or start making multiple $5 income payments, or start receiving them, even with the $15, you start receiving those multiple times. When people start joining you, they're going to be paid directly to you. So when your prospects do the same thing and they duplicate this marketing system behind you, they also going to be joining Traffic Wave under you. So Traffic Wave is going to pay you $17.95 as a fast start bonus when your prospects or your downline members also upgrade behind you after their 30 days with inside Traffic Wave. So the thing is, you marketing the system, and you also doing the Traffic Wave automatically by itself. So the system is the whole funnel system is, you're not advertising Traffic Wave separately. You using it to capture your leads, and by you doing so, it's following up, and then when someone duplicate this system or these systems behind you, they're also going to be joining traffic rate because it's a recommended feature that's also integrated inside of the program, inside of the whole funnel system. So it's an easy way to to start really building your income. Well, in this case, earning multiple income streams all at the same time on autopilot. So anyway, this is one of the sales page that you get, and this pretty much explains it all. You get payment through PayPal, Pazer, and cryptocurrency through coin payments. So they have over 70 different coin payment options for cryptocurrencies, and you can select them all, or you can select the top 10 or the top 5, whichever one you want to choose is totally up to you. But let me just go ahead and log in and access my Pastry account, because the system here, they connected through 2 gateways, payment gateways. Okay, the cryptocurrency payment gateway is Coin Payments, which allows you to accept cryptocurrency payments. See right here, you can have all of these different payment options for people to make a payment to you, and they pay this to you instantly. Okay, so once someone makes a payment, all they have to do is just click return, and they're gonna end up to the registration page, so that they can also set up their marketing funnel system instantly once they finish making the payment and completing that payment option. So the other option here is Pastry Gateway. So when someone goes to make a payment to you through Pastry, Pastry has 3 different payment options within inside of their platform. And you can switch them at any time automatically. You can choose PayPal, Pazer, and Skrill, which used to be Money Bookers. Now you can have any one of those payment options set up at any given time. All you got to do is just log into your Pastry account, and you can switch how you want to be paid with inside Pastry. For this option, you're going to notice that I'm getting paid from my prospects by Pazer. So this is a payment option here for them to make a payment through Pazer. So the whole system is really simple to set up. And let me just go ahead and I'm going to log into Pastry, and I'm also going to log into Coin Payments and show you guys that these systems actually work. You pay a one-time $15, or you pay a one-time $5. You set up your payment options. You make sure that all your Coin Payments ID, merchant ID is on your account, and make sure that your Pastry username is on your account. And then you once you log into Pastry or Coin Payments and set up how you want to be paid, the funds are going to go directly into your account. Okay, admin does not touch your funds or does not collect payments and then pay them out to you. These systems are 100% member to member. So as soon as your prospects goes to click on a payment button, that goes directly and instantly into your account. And let me show you how these has been working so far. So this is my Pastry account right here. Okay, so these are as you can see over here, $4.99 payments coming in, $15 payments coming in. Okay, so the system worked, and you can see my username right up at the top over here. Instant Leads, that's my username. Now you're looking at my account here, and you're seeing that it's over $11,000. Now some of this is affiliate commissions. A couple of these in here are affiliate commissions where I sell and do other things within inside of Pastry here. But as you can see, these are payments coming in on a consistent basis. Now you might not be able to see the the names and the people name in here, because I'm going to blur that out because I don't want to show people the information in here. So this is my Pastry account. Let me just go to my profile over here and click on this. I don't mind people seeing my profile. So if I go over here to my profile, wait for that to load. So this is my profile right here, and I'll blur out the bottom part so you don't see my payment details there. So I'm logged into my Pastry account. Okay, excuse me. Let me just go over to my dashboard now for Coin Payments, so you can see the payments are coming in for Pastry. So now I'm going to show you my account over at Coin Payments. And as you can see here, and I'm going to do the same thing, I'm going to blur some of this out so you don't see my information. So as you can see, all these are $15 payments coming in. And this one here, I only have set up for crypto payments, okay? So you can see them coming in. Let me just go to an older payments. And as you can see, they're all coming in here, okay? Real simple, guys. All those are $15 payments coming in, okay? So as you can see, the system work, okay? All you have to do is set up the program. I mean, once you finish making your payment, whatever it be for the $5, if you want to get into the Easy5Now program, you can get into that. If you want to get into all two of them, then it would cost you $20 to get in. And then once you set them up, you just start posting ads, and that's it. And then once you make a sale, you send a welcome letter. It's already pre-done for you. You copy that welcome letter and you send it to your prospects as soon as they make a payment to you. And I sent it within 24 hours, and I highly recommend you do the same thing. Even though the system is 100% automated, some people don't remember to click return. And if they don't click return, or if you decide to join and you don't get redirected to the registration page right away, you can always go to our 24/7 help desk here and open up a support ticket, and support will help you. Just send them a copy of your payment receipt so that they can know who link to send to you, because it's all coded, and you don't want to sign up under the wrong person and then have your account deleted because you didn't make a payment to that person. So you need to send them a copy of your purchase receipt so that they can know which affiliate link to send you to register under. Okay, so that's going to be it, guys. I mean, this system or these systems actually work, and you could be making money consistently working them. So that's going to be it for this video. Marvin Williams out.